If you're a plumber, carpenter, electrician, or any other service provider, we understand and respect that you offer something extremely valuable to your clients. So we want to help you get the word out about your business because we know what a struggle this can be. Advertising can be expensive, especially when you consider there are no guarantees on the return of your investment. Not to mention, the leads these ads generate aren't always the best quality. Spend a lot of money on fuel, vehicle wear and tear, and other admin expense. Take customer phone calls all day long, which sometimes become frustrating. Drive long miles facing traffic jams and getting late from promised time, which upsets customers and service professionals as well. This is where Utzo comes into its own. Never again will you have to spend a fortune or waste your time following up on low-quality leads. With Utzo, never spend thousands of dollars on advertisements and operational expenses like fuel, wear and tear on service vehicles. No more long driving with Utzo. You never answer phone leads with Utzo as the customer service request comes in Utzo Pro app. There is always savings with Utzo. Instead, download the Utzo Pro app and create a profile. Once you're up and running, homeowners can find you instantly in real time and send you a service request in your proximity. Utzo keeps you local. With Utzo, you always be your own boss. Accept or deny, it's always your choice. Create your own schedule and work when you want. With Utzo, the chances of finding better quality clients are much higher because homeowners have to answer a few questions, enter a description of the kind of service they need, and list their location. As you can see, Utzo does a lot to screen prospects before they even connect with you. So rest assured, you won't waste your precious time and energy negotiating with dead-end leads. Utzo provides premium leads that are matched to your service, are local, and are live. The homeowner is actually live on the Utzo app and ready for you to accept the lead and connect with them instantly once you accept the lead, and the project is yours. No one else will respond and will be enrouted to homeowner location. You are the only one that will be connected and routed to homeowner's service location in real time. The homeowner can see you driving with an ETA and the time and distance remaining to arrive. With Utzo, it's 100% lead conversion guaranteed. Stop wasting money on HomeAdvisor, Google, Yelp, and other traditional marketing. With Utzo, it's always zero spending on advertisement. So what are you waiting for? Grow your business and double your revenue with Utzo. Head over to joinpro.utzo.com. We remove that today and sign up to our network. Trust us, you'll be amazed at the boost in sales.